In this video, I will be upgrading my RAM and also perform some cleanup activities. I will be using a 8 GB RAM from Crucial brand. So after upgrade, I will be having total 16 GB of RAM. As there are two slots, 8 GB is already installed and I will be adding 8 more GB. So total there will be 16 GB of RAM. I got this RAM from Flipkart for around 6K. I am trying to get all the screws of the back panel out. In the back panel you can see behind the rubber casing there were screws which were attached to the hinges. Here I am also using a soft plastic stub to push between the panel and to separate the locks between the panels. I am running this video in 5x, but as you can see I am very gentle and very patiently trying to open the panel. So you can do the same when you are opening your laptop. The idea is not to break the back panel. It took me around 10 minutes just to separate the panel and the locks between the two panels, and finally it got open. I also rechecked for any screws which I had missed out, but there was no screw here. Here patience is the key. You have to be patient and gentle with your laptop so that you do not break any locks or break the entire panel. This is a 2-year-old laptop, and as you can see there is a lot of dust in the fan, so I had to clean the fan as well. So firstly I started opening the screws around the fan. These fans also have some wiring stubs inserted in the motherboard, so I have to remove that as well, which I had removed gently later. You can see in the video. I also cleaned the back panel, which had lot of dust. Now I am trying to add the new RAM in the new slot. I have two slots. Already I have one 8 GB attached. Now I'm trying to add another 8 GB. The idea is very simple. You have to just push it within the pins so that you hear a clicking noise and the RAM will be attached to it. After adding the RAM, I just closed the back panel and added all the screw back to it.